We've been counting down. We've been waiting. Now the D-Day. We're here right now. View Cinema, Eltham. Father Forgive Me, a film by Oluwaseyi King Ariel. You guys know our Shebaby. Yes, hardworking. The hardest working woman in the game. And I'm so proud to be here. And of course, a lot of fans will be gracing this red carpet very, very soon. And we'll be talking to them. And of course, the stellar cast here will be here on this red carpet as well. So you don't go nowhere. Stay here. Watch this. You're going to have fun.
Sun on my face, but shadow keeps my name. Street speaking tongues, and I answered with blame. I chased the bright light. I traded peace for flame.
Congratulations.
Thank you so very much, Atolani. Thank you for handling this for us.
No, it's
I just want to say thank you to everyone for showing up tonight. Honestly, especially my team, they did very well. Thank you to everyone for coming. I want them to see Father Forgive Me, because that movie is everything. It talks about redemption, grace. So I really want people to see the movie. And I'm here tonight to actually see a whole lot of people, especially from my workplace. They're amazing. And also the actors and actresses, musicians. I've got Megastar in the building.
Yeah.
I've got Lance in the building. I've got a lot of people. I can't wait to be there.
This beautiful lady here, she's the welfare on the set. She made all the food, yeah. And we're going to get our name first. What's your name?
My name is Lani, aka Lance. But I also am the owner of Ayoka Eats, and we provide food, drinks, party services, anything, events. We got you.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
What are you expecting from this movie, Father Forgive Me? I'm sure you on set.
Yeah,
you felt all the vibes and everything. So tell me what you think.
Say is, I'm not a movie person, but for this movie, I'm a movie person. Clock it, guys. Literally, I can't wait to see it. Great actors, upcoming ones, and the ones that we know and love already. And honestly, she put Shay or Shebaby, whatever you know her as, she put so much effort.
My name's Aoife Freeman, and I play Natasha.
So, first of all, tell us the vibe on the movie set. How was it like?
It was very comforting, it was a good vibe. We just did what we had to do.
Okay, so what should we fans be expecting from this movie?
Be expecting drama, be expecting everything, honestly.
So I can begin. Forgive me, I was running by.
We're here at the premiere of Father Forgive Me. What are you looking forward to?
New thing, vibe, a lot of things actually.
A lot of glitz. I like that. If you could describe Shay for me, how would you describe her?
She's a nice girl. I mean, for me to be here today, I see this thing about her when it comes to producing a movie. She put all.
Mrs. Pastor Day, Victoria. I saw you earlier with Shay, and I know she was so, how would I describe? She excited when she saw you. Can you tell us the relationship between you two?
Daughter, she is my gorgeous daughter.
That's it.
I am so pleased to see a day like this. She's been looking forward to this, and it's so massive for her. I am believing that this is launching her for greater opportunities.
Father, forgive me, I won't leave it behind.
Hello everyone, my name is Joke Toba, also known as Joke Gosh. Sheyi is a very hardworking lady. So super proud of her. She doesn't stop. Every time she's walking, she's doing this, doing advertisements, MC work, singing, acting. She's just really ambitious, and I'm very proud of her. And she's pretty and beautiful. Father Forgive Me, we are getting ready. We are anticipating to have fun, to be happy, maybe emotional. But, she produces nice movies all the time, and she sings good songs all the time.
I'm Dr. Mariam Balogun. Simply Dr. Maybe.
On the set of this beautiful movie, Father Forgive Me,
Yes.
What was the vibe like? How was it like, working with or everybody, especially with Sheyi producing this?
Yes, I've seen very lovely, lovely outfits. I've seen the vibe. I'm just looking forward to a very fun evening, and I'm so proud of her.
Hello, Nick. How you doing?
I'm good, thanks, matey. How are you?
I'm all right, fantastic. Should I call you Father Nick now, or
maybe you should. I mean, look at this.
I should.
I could get used to having my face on posters that are not wanted posters.
I like that. Yeah. So tell me, how was it like working with this stellar cast?
The cast were fantastic to work with. I was only on set for a little while. It was just like a couple of things to film, but we knocked it out in no time at all. Really good crew to work with. Everything was on track. Everyone did really well. I've been on so many film sets in my time where I cannot say about the people I've been working with, but we could definitely say this with Shebaby and the crew.
Oh, fantastic! Father, forgive me. Mm-hmm. Yeah. How was it like working with this beautiful cast here?
Wow, it was such an amazing experience. I think I learned so much on set, just working with such talented people, and I feel like I was really, really pushed. I learned so much about myself, and Mel, she is a character, so that was fun.
Oh, you say you were pushed. I would use the word motivated here. How was that like? Was it like, do I want to do this again, or should I go on? How was that like?
There were some scenes where I was like, no, you will not see me doing this, but it was really great to work with such a great director who just took me aside, we worked through the scene, and I feel like he really got the best out of me. So it's a project I want to do again.
Oh, fantastic. How would you describe Shebaby?
Oh, Auntie Sheyi, she's amazing. She's talented, she's compassionate, she's funny. She's going to be the next big mogul. Clark.
How did you guys do that? Yeah.
I would say wisdom, excellence, all wrapped up in one with creativity. That's what I would say. And I would say we're in for a really good time. We're in for a time of not just watching a movie, but also gaining knowledge from that movie. That's what I'm here to see.
Oh, she stole my heart. She's one humble person. She's very humble, very supportive. She's I'm here because of her. I'm not supposed to be here, but because of Sheyi, I will be here. I've only met her once or twice, and we've always communicated on the phone. But she's very receptive, very receptive, very forthcoming, and I just have to be here to support her.
Everybody has been talking about Sheyi. How would you describe her? How would you describe? One word. So I won't take it, but one word.
Amazing.
Amazing. Fantastic. Thank you very, very much. Michael, how would you describe Sheyi?
Well, she's an awesome person. Very charitable. She's talented as well. And so I'm here to support her, 100%.
Man, what are you expecting from the movie, though? What are you looking forward to?
Man, I could see a lot of storyline that is very deep here, because I saw the trailer and I was excited to see that, and I'm here today to see that awesome film and see how it goes.
Sun on my face, but shadow keeps my name. Street speaking tongues, and I answered with blame. I chased the bright light, I traded peace for flame. Your voice in the doorway, I let drift like rain. I carry the proof of all the things I couldn't explain.